Whoa. Get up there, Meanie. Let's take a photo and share it with some friends and family, okay? Now get up there. I kind of like this tree. Let me look down and see if there's anything below there. Nothing below there. I kind of want a low shot of the tree. Now I'm gonna look up, right? But I don't want it too low. My friends are gonna be like, yo, you took that with a DSLR, you took that with a camera. Like, oh yeah, dummy, could I get up this high with a camera, with a standard camera? Dummy, who took what with what now? Dummy. All right, so I'm going up there. I don't like this. Yeah, let's go right over the lake. Let's go for this. Let's go for this shot. I've lined up my shot. This is the shot that I want to share. I'll go to my settings. It's a regular single photo shot. I can adjust my exposure if I want it brighter, if I want it dimmer. 0 is supposed to be perfect, but I kind of like this +3. I don't know why. I just like it, okay? So I've lined up, and I'm going to snap my photo on 3, 2, 1. From the time I snap this photo, I'm on the clock, okay? Let's go again. 3, 2, 1. Snap. I snap the photo, then I'm like, wow, this is a great shot. I go hit that play button right there. I go look at the shot. I click on it. I hit that download button, and it's downloading. Bear in mind, I'm flying, right? I want to share this while I'm flying. I hit the share button. How about I share it on WhatsApp? I will go to WhatsApp and I will share it with my kids. Where are my kids? Here, my silly little kids. Let's hit send. Let's hit boom. How long did that take? How long did that take? My daughter's going to tell me when she received the picture.
Got it.
You got the picture? That's not the picture. Boom, 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 boom. There you go, guys. Almost instantly. And I took way long. And guess what? The drone's still flying. WhatsApp is like one of the fastest ways to share photos and videos. Some quick tips here to get you up and flying and having fun. How about a DJI Mavic Mini Flyers? Woo! Woo! Guys, smash that thumbs up, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon to be notified. Come on, guys, I've got the video for you. And I'm sorry about this excitement, but I just wish I had this technology when I was learning to fly. Okay, I'm done. No, I did not drink. No, I did not smoke. This is getting hype on Mavic Mini, straight up, guys. All right, time for me to land. I'm busy talking. I should be landing. Mini, where are you? Don't try this at home, guys. Actually, you know what? Try it at home. But after I show you how to palm launch and palm catch safely with your DJI Mavic Mini, that video is coming up soon. I'm gonna take another picture, edit it, and then share. Let's see how long it takes to spice it up just a little bit better than everybody else.